Hi guys, so today is day 5. It's actually Saturday, so the gentleman who's mainly working on the bathroom, he came in this morning. He left about an hour ago, and he came in at 8 and left at 1. So he I don't know what you call this. He tried to smooth out the walls. So yesterday he put up the sheetrock, and then today he applied, like, in those corners, he patched up all those corners. Okay, and yeah, patched up everything. Everything looks really, really good. And here's where we had the old towel bar. So he's gonna re-drill that. You can tell where we had it. There were huge holes there. Yeah, we're gonna probably put them a little bit higher up. So the towel holders we had here, he actually, he placed them, I cleaned them up really, really good. Let me just show you. I'll be right. This is our primary bathroom, which 3 of us are sharing. So we did not have a towel holder here, so I cleaned them up and they came out beautiful. Guys, a little bit of elbow grease and they're like practically brand new. So we have that one, and then we used to have, we threw it away already. So it was the matching towel holder to this, and this is a Pottery Barn collection too. We're getting rid of this because this is really, I mean, I don't know what happened in this bathroom, but this one really corroded. I'll show you how I cleaned up the other one. So yeah, so it used to be up here, it used to be here, so we lifted it up, we put it up a little bit because it won't interfere with my hamper. Okay, and now that way I can get rid of this hook in the back. Oh, and he fixed the hole we have here. So yeah, we have to paint this bathroom. Yeah, and if you see, we think that's part of the condensation, but also our contractor was telling us that yeah, so these are Target towels, which, wow, guys, I think at the beginning of the school year, for like, you know, when Target has their, hi guys, when Target has their college, here, let me get out of here. When Target has their college sale, like dorm sale, I picked up those towels. I think they were like for $6. So let me just show you. My kitchen's clean. I cleaned it this morning. So this was the light fixture that was in that guest bathroom. It's called the Mercer in Pottery Barn. So what I did is, so this is chrome. So this is going now in our primary bathroom, and it's gonna replace the one that's there, which is really corroded. But this one, I polished it up really nice last night and it looks gorgeous. And this glass is so pretty. So I purchased the same one, but in I think it's brushed nickel, but 4 sconces, because the guest bathroom is a little larger, so we need some more light. Anyways, that's it, guys. That is the update for where's Mr. Jagger? Oh, here's the tile we're gonna put up. He's gonna start to tile on Monday. And there's Mr. Jagger. He's nice and clean. I took him a bath. You nice and clean? What are you looking at? Lizard? All right, guys. I'll see you later. Good boy. It's Saturday, so it's day 5 of the bath remodel, and it's 4 o'clock. So the gentleman that's working on our bathroom, he left like around 1:30. He was there on the dot at 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, I like punctuality, so I'm very happy. Anyways, I'm off to go get some paint swatches at Sharon Williams. I don't know if you've seen the videos I've done so far. That is, we painted the whole house when we moved in. It's called Killam Beige, and the outside was Barcelona Beige by Sharon Williams. And the outside, we got it painted last year in, oh my gosh, Edgecombe gray, which is not really gray at all. It's more of a beigey gray. But I do want to add some color. Sorry, I'm not putting this arm down because I'm wearing it's a company hoodie. So I'm trying to hide the company logo. Anyways, yeah, so I do want to add some color. I'm sorry. The sun let's see, it's 93 degrees outside. And I know I'm in a hoodie, but I'm in air conditioning the whole time. Yeah, so on my way to look at some colors. I want a certain blue green. When we get there, hopefully I can film a little bit, and I can show you what colors I'm looking at. So I'll see you later. Bye. Okay, we have arrived. Okay, so I've decided to get these samples. So this is more green, grayish green, blue, and I don't know what this is, but when I put it up against white, you can tell. So yeah, kind of am in between these colors, but this is a little too violet. So somewhere here. And then there's these, which are gorgeous. But this only comes in these formulas, which is like $100 a can. But they've got a sale going on right now till September 9th. This comes up to like 60 something. But these colors are gorgeous. So we'll see. I tried to get these colors, the closest paint chips, and just the regular formula. I think it's called Super Paint or something. So we'll see. It's day 6. Okay, so the tile is up. Oh gosh. Okay, so those are just the spacers. But yeah, the tile is up. So we went with a plain white 12 by 24. So tomorrow he's gonna finish the niche, the window, and then he's gonna start on putting on this little, the trim, which is gonna finish it like that. Yeah, okay. All right, guys. Everything is looking good. Oh, we decided on the paint. Oh, I should have. Oh gosh. So I had painted 4 pieces of paper and I put them up against here. They were gorgeous, like blue greens. Yeah, my husband decided it's too much color. Why don't we just go with boring beige? So this is Killam Beige. So we went with Everyday White, which is a lot lighter, but it still has a contrast. Hold on, let me see if I can show you the chip. So we went with Extra White for this. Oh, okay, so we went with Extra White for the ceiling, and everyday white for the wall. I think that there's enough of a contrast. He says there isn't, but I think there is. So yeah, so this, I'm already tired of this color. We have this color all over the house. It's called Killing Beige. It's like, I like it, but it's already like, it's closing in on me. I feel it's like too yellowy orange sometimes. And this is more of a neutral beige gray type of color. And I think there's enough contrast. If I take this and I put it next to the tile, yeah, it's enough. It'll lighten it up, and I'm trying to convince him that this is a color we go with throughout the whole house, just like this, to lighten up the house. So if we look at the tile, the travertine, yeah, because the travertine has light spots in some areas. That'll, I think, look nice. All right, guys, I'll talk to you later.